is it so bad to live in the matrix? If it is not feeling bad, live. I have no problem. And second statement you say, 99% of the time we are living there. No, it is not true. Understand, many Western traditions say, the atheist traditions in the West say, man made God in his mold. Some of the religious traditions in the West say, God made man in his own mold. I say, God, whether he made man in his own mold or not, I don't know. I don't know God. But I know Sadashiva, God L. He did not make you in his mold. He made you in his own sea. Listen to this word. I am using the word sea. S-E-E. Not S-E-A. Listen to this word very carefully. See is an action. I wanted to say, when I see, one end is me, another end is you, another end is you, that's all. Because you are seeing with two eyes, what you are seeing, you can't absorb that into you. But I am seeing with the three eyes, what I see, I can absorb that into me. And I know it is my own other end. Understand, that is why I am using the word, not even seeing, see. I am giving you exact, literally what I wanted to convey. The relationship between you and Sadashiva. You are the see, not seen, seeing, see of Sadashiva. Listen, just now I made a statement. When you see through the third eye, whatever you see, you can manifest, manipulate as you want. It means what you see will be your own extension. It is you. See, if I can make my right hand bend, do whatever I want, I can do, means this is me. What you understand as me is what I convey through the word see. In you, the me is only materially which is connected to you. In me, me is what is connected to me even by see. Listen. For you, me means what is materially connected to you. For me, me means what is seely connected to me. I don't know how much you catch it. I'll just tell you this small story which really happened. Arunagiri Vishra was trying to explain Advaita to me. He was sitting in the temple. This side, his left side was the Arunachala hill. Right side was the Garbha Mandir of the Arunachala temple. The front I was sitting. Exact eyes you guys are having now when I say me is see. How you are? That is exactly the way I was looking at him. He said, see this hill, this Arunachala, you, me, all one and the same. When he put the hand, of course, I was inside the hand. Literally I saw the hill just moving, the Garbha Mandir moving, me moving and disappearing. He, me, hill, Garbha Mandir, all disappearing into him. When experientially I saw whatever he was seeing, he is able to Photoshop it. He can just pick it up, put it, and if you say, I wanted to ask thousands of things and came to energization, the moment you hugged me, everything disappeared. Everything disappeared. I forgot. Some things I remembered later, some things I don't even remember. How many of you have this experience? Then you can understand what I am trying to tell. He just merged the whole thing. Listen. Sadashiva made all of us in his sea. Please do not alter the word. This is the Facebook status for all of you. Don't use seen, seeing, SEA, no. Sadashiva made all of us in his sea. Let the statement be understood as it is. Because you need to understand this concept that can be understood only by this grammatically wrong statement. Understand? It's called Arsha Prayoga in Vedic tradition, where the masters do not follow the grammar to explain certain intrinsic deep concept. Sadashiva made all of us in his sea. Not seen, not seeing, not SCENE, not SEA, no. When you see how it is simple extension of you, same way when Sadashiva sees, he feels all of us are simple extension, that is our existential reality. Everything else you believe is the manipulation of the matrix. Contemplate on this. This is the essence of Sadashivoham. If you see with two eyes, you can only see, you will not have power over it. But when Sadashiva sees with three eyes, whatever is seen is also me for him. Whatever is seen by him is also materially connected to him. How you feel the part of you which is materially connected to you as you, same way he feels everything as materially connected to him. So when what he sees is me for him, what he sees is he for him. And Sadashiva made all of us as his sea. You forgetting that is Trobhava. You being thrown back into that remembrance is Anugraha. Understand? Trobhava means delusion. Listen. He sees you as sea. You forgetting that is delusion. You reminded that truth experientially is liberation. That is why I say, if you understand delusion and liberation, you will understand even creation, operation, destruction in a completely different dimension. Creation, operation, destruction. You will understand that in completely different dimension.